Hello everybody. Probably wondering, what is this? Coffee grain. I'm saving it for the garden this year. I got 3 big buckets going. So every day we take it out from the coffee machines. I'm just saving it, drying it up, storing it, and next couple of weeks it'll be in the garden mixed up. We're gonna grow everything. And I know it's not ideal to go shopping, but if you have a garden, you should take care of it. And if you have lots of land in the backyard, make a food plot to grow some nice vegetables, a nice little garden area. Tomatoes, basil, everything I'm going to grow this year. So I'm going to show you next couple of weeks what's coming up. Okay? Look at that. I'm going to open that up and I'm going to take it out. Okay? So let me see what else is going on here. I constantly come out to mix it up. Let me show you my big bucket, one of my mini buckets that I've been working on. So everybody should grow it. Got coffee grain, put it in that nice little thing. You garden it, and that's it. All dried up. And that's what's going on here. So check out my next videos coming on garden. Oops, sorry. Have some fun this year. I'm going to my local town to ride. Okay, so let me take the little shovel, mix it up. It's a cold day today. It's January 20, I think 25 today. No, it's 24, and that's all. So, and it's kind of a cold day, so I gotta air it out later. These things, I'm gonna bring them inside, and that's what's going on. Check it out. Gardening 101. Using coffee grain. Use it. Don't throw it away. It's good for everything. And subscribe. Hit that button.